In today's video, we are going to show you how to add your Outlook calendar to Notion so you can view and manage your schedule directly inside your workspace, which is perfect if you use Notion for planning, task management, or productivity. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is make sure you are logged in for both of your accounts here in Outlook calendar and of course to your Notion. Now, inside of the Notion dashboard, I want you to go to the top left corner where you can see your profile icon. I want you to click on it and go to the settings tab. Here, all I have to do is very simple. Click the connections. Okay. Now, as you may notice, Notion has three connections that you can explore. Of course, Notion AI connectors, Notion MCP. But for now, what we are going to click is the first option. Click the Explore button and then hover down below where you can see the Workspace AI connectors. Okay, so right now, as you can see, the connector to Notion going to Outlook calendar is grayed out because this is only available on the enterprise plan. So if I were you, if you want to unlock the full features of Notion, you might want to subscribe to the paid plans. Okay. Now here, all I have to do is if you have that option into your account, all I have to do is follow the on-screen instructions, click the permissions that you are allowing Notion to connect to your Outlook calendar. Okay, so this will allow full event syncing. Remember, it will require paid plans. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.